Excuse me. I want to go to the aquarium, but I do not know what to say.
Hey everyone! Imagine this. You are at a beautiful aquarium with your family. The dolphin show starts in 15 minutes, but the seats are filling up fast. Most families just stand way at the back, blocked by tall people, missing all the splashing, the smiles, the magic. So sad. But Hannah? She asks one simple question. And her family ends up in the front row, completely soaked and laughing with joy. Today, I will teach you that secret phrase, plus 4 more must-know aquarium phrases. Let us go. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am Emma, and today we are going to the aquarium. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, aquariums are one of the most loved places to visit with the whole family. Picture this. Colorful coral reefs, slow-floating jellyfish, playful dolphins, mysterious sharks, and adorable touch tanks where you can actually feel a starfish. It is magical. But real aquariums can also feel a little overwhelming in English. What time is the next show? Where is the best place to sit? Am I allowed to touch the animals? Which exhibit should we see first? When do they feed the sharks? Do not worry. Today, I will teach you exactly what to say. Plus, that one clever question that lands your family in the best front row seats at the dolphin show. Are you ready? Let us jump into our 5 key phrases. Alright. Let us go through today's 5 key aquarium phrases. Repeat after me. Key phrase 1. What time is the next dolphin show? What time is the next dolphin show? Beautiful. At any aquarium, the shows are the highlight of the day. Knowing the schedule means your family will not miss the magic. Key phrase 2. Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from? Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from? Lovely. This one is gold. And it is our secret phrase of the day. Most visitors just sit in the easiest seats they find. But staff know exactly where the best view is. And sometimes it is the front row, where you can see every splash up close. Key phrase 3. Are we allowed to touch the starfish? Are we allowed to touch the starfish? Great! Many aquariums have a touch tank where kids and adults can gently feel real starfish, sea urchins, and anemones. Always ask first. Because rules are different at every aquarium. Key phrase 4. Which exhibit do you recommend we see first? Which exhibit do you recommend we see first? Perfect. Aquariums are huge. The staff know which exhibit is the most exciting right now. Maybe a brand new baby penguin or a rare jellyfish display. Just ask. Key phrase 5. When are the sharks being fed today? When are the sharks being fed today? Wonderful. Feeding time is the most exciting moment at the shark tank. The sharks become super active. And the staff often share fascinating facts. You do not want to miss it. Great! 5 phrases. Now let us see them in action. Alright. It is a bright, cheerful morning at the entrance hall of a beautiful modern aquarium. Soft blue light reflects off the polished floors, and a giant curved tank with colorful tropical fish glows behind the information desk. Hannah, holding a small map and wearing a casual summer cardigan, walks up to the desk with a curious smile. Daniel, a friendly male information desk staff member in his mid-20s with short dark brown hair, wearing a clean navy blue polo shirt with a small aquarium dolphin logo and a name badge, stands behind the counter with a warm, welcoming smile.
Good morning. Wow, this aquarium is beautiful.
Good morning. Welcome to the aquarium. We are so happy you are here. How can I help you today?
Quick question. What time is the next dolphin show?
Great question. The next dolphin show starts at 11:30. So in about 30 minutes. The show is 20 minutes long, and it is our most popular event of the day.
Perfect, thank you. And one more thing. Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from?
Oh, fantastic question. Most people sit in the middle rows, but if your family does not mind getting a little wet, head straight to the front row in the splash zone. That is where you see every flip up close, and the dolphins sometimes splash water right at you. The kids love it. I would recommend arriving 15 minutes early to grab those seats.
Wow, the splash zone? That sounds amazing. 15 minutes early, front row, splash zone. Got it.
Exactly. And here is a little towel coupon. You might want one.
Thank you so much. That is exactly what we needed.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful day at the aquarium.
Beautiful, Hannah. Did you hear those two amazing phrases? What time is the next dolphin show? This is the first question to ask at any aquarium. Shows usually run every 2 or 3 hours, and you do not want to miss them. Use the same pattern for any show. What time is the next penguin feeding? What time is the next sea lion show? Easy. Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from? Hannah just got the secret tip. The splash zone front row. Most visitors in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia just sit wherever they find space. But you? You are going to ask. And your family will be right at the front, laughing and getting wonderfully splashed. And did you hear that lovely phrase? Quick question? Hannah said, quick question. What time is the next dolphin show? That is a polite way to start any short question. Use it today. A short while later. Hannah is standing in front of a large, low, open-touch tank filled with shallow, crystal clear seawater. Colorful starfish, sea urchins, and small anemones rest gently on the sandy bottom. Marcus, a friendly male marine biology intern in his early 20s with short curly black hair, wearing a clean teal aquarium staff polo shirt and a small name badge, stands beside the tank with a warm, knowledgeable smile, his sleeves rolled up neatly.
Hi there. Wow, look at all these amazing creatures.
Hi. Welcome to the Touch Tank. It is one of our most popular spots.
It is incredible. Quick question. Are we allowed to touch the starfish?
Yes, absolutely. You can gently touch the starfish, the sea urchins, and even the small anemones. Just use 2 fingers, very softly, and only on top of the animal. Never lift them out of the water. And please rinse your hands in the bowl over here first, so any sunscreen or lotion does not get into the tank.
Got it. 2 fingers, soft touch, never lift, rinse first. Thank you.
Perfect. You are a natural.
And one more thing. Which exhibit do you recommend we see first?
Oh, great question. If you have kids, definitely head to the jellyfish gallery next. It is right around the corner. We just opened a brand new tank this week with hundreds of glowing moon jellyfish. The whole room turns purple and blue. It is absolutely magical, especially for children.
Glowing moon jellyfish? My kids are going to love that.
They really will. And after that, the penguin habitat is also a must-see.
Thank you so much. You are so kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your visit.
So lovely. Hannah's whole family is now gently touching real starfish. They cannot believe it. Did you hear the two key phrases? Are we allowed to touch the starfish? This is so important at any aquarium. Some touch tanks let you touch everything, some are look only. Always ask first to be safe. And the staff will give you the rules so you can enjoy it the right way. Which exhibit do you recommend we see first? This is gold. Aquariums are huge, and there is never enough time to see everything. The staff know which exhibit is the freshest, the newest, the most exciting that day. They will send you straight to the magic. And did you notice how Marcus said, "You are a natural?" That means you are really good at this. Like you have done it your whole life. What a sweet compliment. Early afternoon. Hannah walks up to the massive, dimly lit shark tank. Through the giant curved glass, sleek sharks glide silently through the deep blue water. Ethan, a friendly male aquarium staff member in his late 20s with short light brown hair, wearing a clean dark navy aquarium uniform shirt with a shark patch on the sleeve and a small name badge, stands near the viewing window with a warm, enthusiastic smile.
Wow, this tank is incredible. Look at those sharks.
Right? They are amazing, are they not? Welcome. Is this your first time visiting?
Yes. Quick question. When are the sharks being fed today?
Perfect timing. The next shark feeding is at 2:15. So in about 10 minutes. It is the most exciting moment of the day. The sharks become super active, swimming fast and turning right in front of the glass. And one of our marine biologists narrates the whole thing. You will learn so much.
10 minutes? Oh, we are definitely staying.
Wonderful. And here is a little tip. Stand right here on the left side of the window. That is exactly where the food drops, so the sharks come right up to the glass. The kids will be eye to eye with a real shark.
Eye to eye with a shark? That is incredible. Left side, right here. Got it.
Exactly. And keep your camera ready. It is the most photogenic moment in the whole aquarium.
Thank you so much. This is going to be unforgettable.
My pleasure. Enjoy the show.
Amazing. Hannah's kids are now standing eye to eye with a real shark, watching it glide right past the glass. A memory they will never forget. When are the sharks being fed today? This phrase is your ticket to the most exciting moments at any aquarium. Feeding times turn calm, sleeping animals into super active stars of the show. Use this for any animal. When are the penguins being fed? When are the sea otters being fed? The staff will always tell you, and you will plan your day perfectly. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Let us see if you remember the magic moment from today. Quiz time. Hannah's family ended up in the front row at the dolphin show. Completely soaked, laughing, and watching every flip up close. Which phrase was Hannah's secret weapon? A. What time is the next dolphin show? B. Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from? C. Are we allowed to touch the starfish? Write A, B, or C in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will make your next aquarium visit absolutely unforgettable. What time is the next dolphin show? Where is the best spot to watch the dolphin show from? Are we allowed to touch the starfish? Which exhibit do you recommend we see first? When are the sharks being fed today? Remember, aquarium staff love sharing their secret tips with kind, curious visitors. Just ask, and you will discover the most magical moments most tourists never see. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are going to the museum. Wait till you hear the one polite question Hannah asks that gets her family a free personal guided tour by a real expert. Most visitors walk right past this golden opportunity, but you will not. See you next time. Bye-bye.